Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to AppSex online sport program. I'm your teacher Zubia Murtaza from Army Public Schools and Colleges, Rahim Yar Khan Kent. This tutorial is for class 3 and subject is mathematics. Today we are going to start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is time. Topic is telling time. Textbook pages are 213 to 219. Workbook pages are 150 to 153. Summary of the lesson is: a clock has two hands. The longer hand represents the minutes and shorter hand shows the hour. The minute hand makes a complete round in 60 minutes. Now we are going to discuss this topic in detail. Let's see what are the objectives of the lesson. Objectives are that students will be able to tell and write time. They will also be able to use the term past and to correctly. Dear students, have you ever seen a clock like this before? This type of clock is called an analog clock. Today we are going to learn how to read an analog clock. The front is called the face of the clock, and a clock has two hands. The shorter hand is the hour hand. It shows us what hour it is. The longer hand is the minute hands. It points to the minutes. Remember, students, the short hand points to the hour and the long hand points to the minutes. All little lines between the two numbers represents 1 minute. Here, these little lines represents 1 minute. The minute hand makes a complete round in 60 minutes, and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Dear students, look at this clock. Here the hour hand is at 12, and to find out the minutes we have to count by 5. Here 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, 4 is 20, 5 is 25, 6 is 30, 7 is 35, 8 is 40, 9 is 45, 10 is 50, 11 is 55 and 12 is 0. When the minutes hand is at 12, it means 0 minutes. So, we have to count by 5 to get the minutes. When the minute hand is at 1, it means 5 minutes have passed. So, here the time is 12:05. Look at this clock. Here the hour hand is pointing at 2 and the minutes hand is pointing at 12. So, here the time is 2 o'clock. In this clock, the hour hand is pointing at 3 and the minutes hand is pointing at 12. So, here the time is 3 o'clock. Let's try another one. Look at this picture. Here the hour hand is between the two numbers. When the hour hand is between the two numbers, the hour is the earlier number. So here the hour is 2, while the minute hand is pointing at 8. So we count by 5. 8 5s are 40. So here the minute hand is showing 40 minutes. So the time is 2:40. Dear students, another way to tell the time is past, where we use the past term when the time involves 1 to 29 minutes. The term past should be used. When the time involves 1 to 29 minutes, the term past should be used. For example, 7-9 means 9 minutes past 7, and leave school at 1:24 p.m. We say the time is 24 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Students, look at this clock and try to read the time. Tom is at library at 4:13 p.m. We say that the time is 13 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. Look at this clock. Here the hour hand is between the 3 and 4. So it represents 3, and the minutes hand is pointing at 6. So here the time is 3:30. Here we use another term. When the time is showing 30 minutes, use the term half past. When the time is 4:30, we say it is half past 4. Similarly, when the time is 5:30, we say it is half past 5. When the time is 9:30, we say it is half past 9. When the time involves 31 to 59 minutes, the term to should be used. Remember students, when the time involves 31 to 59 minutes, the term to should be used. Farhan meets his neighbor at 8:45 a.m. We say it is 15 minutes to 9 in the morning. Look at this picture. Raju plays the piano at dash a.m. Dear students, try to read the time. Here the time is 7:53 a.m. Raju plays the piano at 7:53 a.m. The time is 7 minutes to 8 in the morning. The time is 7 minutes to 8 in the morning. Students, you will practice the term past and term to at home. Also remember that we use AM to tell the time just after 12 midnight to just before 12 noon. Bala takes a walk in the park at 9 in the morning. So here the time is 9 AM. We use PM to tell the time from just after 12 noon to just before 12 midnight. Bala goes to bed at 9 at night. So here the time is 9 PM. Success criteria of the lesson is: remember to recognize each marking represents 1 minute. Use the term past and term to correctly. When the time involves 1 to 29 minutes, the term past should be used. And when the time involves 31 to 59 minutes, the term to should be used. Here is your homework. Solve workbook pages 150 to 153, and also solve textbook pages 217 to 219. These are the homework guidelines. Students will do homework in their textbooks and workbooks by clearly writing date and day. They will capture the clear pictures of homework and send it to the teacher's personal number. Thank you.